Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are well. My dear students, you know that we all are going through the second phase of COVID-19. And very recently, we have seen a very sharp rise in the infection rate of COVID-19. Actually, we don't know when this pandemic situation will come to an end. My dear students, in order to keep ourselves safe, we have to follow the guidelines of health and strictly follow the rules of health and hygiene. Especially at the time of going out, we must put on masks, if possible, wear the hand gloves and maintain social distances. Dear students, due to the pandemic situation all over the world, all the educational institutions in our country have remained closed for a long time, and we don't know when the educational institutions in our country will reopen. So my dear students, in the meantime, you should not keep sitting idle. You should continue your study. In order to help you to progress in your study, the teachers of our school are conducting the online classes regularly, and these classes are available on a YouTube channel titled Ashabad High School. I humbly request you to watch the videos on YouTube channel in your convenient time. My dear students, I am Shahriar Ahmed, your English teacher, welcoming you to our online English class. My dear students, today I would like to conduct a class on English past paper. This is meant for the students of class 9 and 10. My dear students, before I start the class, I would like to ask you some questions. The question is, what is the day when we all pay a visit to the central Shohid Minar and the other Shohid Minars in the country? When is the day we pay tribute and place floral wreaths on the Shohid Minar? I think you would be able to guess. Yes, your guess is perfectly right. This is 21st February. So my dear student, today our topic is 21st February, International Mother Language Day 1. Unit 3, Lesson 3, and the topic is International Mother Language Day 1. My dear students, in your book, Unit 3, Lesson 3, under this title, you will find a passage. For your better understanding, I am going to tell you the synopsis of the passage. 21st February is observed all over the world as the International Mother Language Day. This is a public holiday. We pay visit on this day to the central Shohid Minar and some other Shohid Minars located in different parts of the country. We also pay homage and floral wreaths and show our due respect to the language martyrs who sacrificed their lives to establish Bangla as the state language. International Mother Language Day, that is 21st February, is now observed across the globe. Actually, the seed of 21st February was sown in 21st March 1948 when the Governor General Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared Urdu to be the state language of undivided Pakistan. This declaration raised a huge protest across the whole country, East Pakistan. This protest continued non-stop and started gathering momentum day by day. The Pakistani government outlawed all types of protests and rallies in order to stop the movement. But in 1952, on 21st February, the students of Dhaka University defied the law and they brought out a procession in order to establish Bangla as the state language. But the police fired on them and killed Salam, Barkat, Rafiq, Shafiq, Jabbar. This killing raised a huge movement and protest all over the country. That's why the government of Pakistan was forced to declare Bangla as the state language. This movement kindled the independence movement in our country. My dear students, actually this is the synopsis of the whole passage. At your home, you will try to go through the passage between the lines. Whenever you will read out the passage, you will find a lot of difficult words. Those words I am going to explain now. Struggle means fight or battle. My dear students, there is another word that you should know, that is tribute. Tribute means respect, honor, or dignity. Another word, procession, means rally. Climax means highest stage. Intense. Kindle means enlighten or illuminate. So my dear students, these are the words that you might find difficult. That's why I have written down the words along with their meanings. Struggle means fight or battle. Tribute is respect and honor. Procession means rally or carnival. Climax means the ultimate stage. Kindle means to enlighten, to illuminate, to set fire, to ignite. So my dear students, I hope that you have understood the meaning of these seemingly difficult words. My dear students, in your textbook in section C, there is information transfer that I am going to write down on the board, and I want you to follow it. (1947), 1948, 1952. Okay, and in this column you have to write down actually what happened. So my dear students, this is called information transfer. In your exam you will find this question. So let's see how to answer this type of questions. The time is given 1947. Here the row is blank. Here you have to write down what actually happened in the year 1947. We all know that in 1947 the British left our subcontinent, that is Indian subcontinent, making it free. So we can write down we got freedom from the British. Got freedom from the British. Now the second period, that is 1948. In 1948 the Governor General of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, declared Urdu as the state language of the undivided Pakistan. So we'll write down Urdu was declared as the state language of Pakistan. My dear students, now the last one, or the last period as given, 1952. We know that in the year 1952, on 21st February, we got our language Bangla as the state language. So you can write down Bangla was established as the state language. So my dear students, in this way you have to try to answer this type of questions. For your better understanding, I am giving you some time to write down the answers. Dear students, in your English for Today book, under section D, you have a matching sentence. So I am going to show you the matching sentence. Match the words with their meaning. Words means period, then climax, outlaw, defy, provoke, relent, momentum, So my dear students, these are the words given on the first column, and in the second column the meanings are given in a jumbled manner. You have to match the meanings with the words. To cause or stimulate. Number 1. To refuse to obey. To give in. The ability to keep increasing. The act to show respect or admiration. The most exciting point in time. To bend. My dear students, this is the question of matching sentences under section D as given in your book. So you know, I have already told you the meaning of tribute. Tribute means to show respect, dignity or honor. So the meaning of tribute will be, this one will be this one. The act to show respect or admiration. So tribute means the act to show respect or admiration. Climax. Climax means the highest state, highest stage, highest condition or intensive condition. So climax is the most exciting point in time. Climax is such a situation when the most interesting, most intensive things happen. Outlaw means to forbid or to prohibit. So outlaw means to ban. Outlaw means to ban. Defy means disobey, avoid. So the meaning of defy is this one, to refuse to obey. Provoke means induce. Provoke means to stimulate. So the meaning of provoke will be stimulate. Okay. Provoke means stimulate someone to do something. Provoke means to pursue someone to do something. So the meaning of provoke matches with this one, to cause or to stimulate. Relent means to be soft. Relent means to give in. So the meaning of relent matches with to give in. Okay? And the last one is momentum. Momentum is something that always keeps increasing. So the meaning of the word momentum matches with this one, the ability to keep increasing or developing. For your better sight, I am moving aside from the board so that you can have a full glimpse. So my dear students, I hope you have understood about the passage titled International Mother Language Day. My dear students, in the days to come, we will be conducting the necessary classes, and I humbly request you to remain connected to the YouTube channel titled Asharat High School. That's all for today. Allah Hafiz.